Before we start this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring.
This is how I've been wearing my hair, like every single day. Horrible. And this is after a shower. I don't know if you can like see the texture, but my hair is a lot more curly after giving birth, and I feel like that's why I don't like it, because it just feels frizzy. But this is my bangs air dried, and I wanted to show that they can look a lot better than what I had before. I put this shirt on because I feel like it'll look cute, like the pixie. So, okay, now we'll see tomorrow. I needed to give my hair like a better last shot before it's gone. Do you guys think I'm dramatic?
I feel like I kind of didn't explain anything. I don't really know if there's that much to explain besides the fact that I wear my hair in like a messy bun every single day, and I do like my hair this length and maybe even longer when I like blow it out. I never blow it out. So I've been thinking of doing a pixie for a while because my mom had one and I thought it was really cute when she had it. I change my hair up all the time. I've had pink hair, I've had like bleach blonde or platinum blonde, whatever hair. I've had, you know, the tiny bob, bangs, no bangs. I've had my hair down to my butt. I like to change it up because I kind of just like don't care. You know, I might care after this, and I think a pixie right after, I could feel really like ugly with it. And sorry if that's like not the right word to use, but I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I think a lot of people like do feel that, especially when you get like any different haircut, not like yourself. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna see how short we get it. There's like Mia Farrow short, or almost like a mullet-esque thing, but I know I want to do like shorter bangs. I always want my bangs shorter, but I don't want to do it myself, and I feel like with long hair and short bangs it can be a little bit more aggressive almost, which is a weird thing. But then my mom had a pixie, so it makes it not as scary. She had it for her wedding, and I just think it was so cool. And like, I don't know, have like a pixie cut for your wedding. Not that I'm getting married, I don't know, I just like, I'm ready to do it. Don't like my hair right now natural, and the most important thing is to have a hairstyle that you don't have to style every day. Like my bangs, I don't have to style. I wet them and I brush them out and they dry like this. But the rest of my hair, especially after giving birth, the texture has just totally changed. It's like kind of curly in the back, but I used to have pin straight hair, so that's that. Yeah, I had to like put on real deodorant today, like antiperspirant, because I'm sweating, I'm nervous. Brandon, in solidarity with me, even though this is totally my decision, is buzzing his head. So he said he could still have shorter hair than me, and we can really live those gender norms that we're so fond of and really care about.
Oh my gosh, fun!
No, not even close.
So cute. Okay. I like see this. So cute.
Yeah, vintage Disney or like cartoons.
Yeah.
All that stuff.
So when I brush it out of the shower,
Yeah.
I go like forward to let it
Yeah.
back. Okay. Okay, see, that feels different now.
Yeah.
I feel like I like old. That's so cute. Yay, thank you.
Yeah. Do you want me to adjust anything else on it?
Oh, I think it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to.
I don't think you
need a chop, but I think cutting a good section, like
Yeah?
this. Yeah.
Just kidding. And I think it's fun. It feels so freeing. Kennedy did such a good job. This haircut took almost 2 hours. No, it took 2 hours because she like literally shaved away piece by piece and just made it lay so beautifully, and like took into account my colic in the back, my colic in the front, how much hair needed to be pushed forward, whatever. You want a pixie or any style cut, go to Kennedy at Golden Salon in Ferndale if you live in Michigan. She literally did so amazing, and like we didn't really know what we were gonna do right when I went in, if we were gonna be able to get it this short, because she wanted to take account my hair, like texture, thickness, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, Kennedy's just like the best. And not that she was like talking me out of it, but I wanted it a lot shorter of a bang, I think, and she was like, okay, like let's do longer and then shorter. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna cut it at home. Regardless when it starts growing, you know, my bangs. So I just like adore everything. Like I have a little spiral colic in the back, and she cut around so my hair lays with that colic, and I was worried about that colic, and she just like took care of it. She took care of things, and I didn't even tell her I had the colic because I was like, you know, not thinking, and she just knew to do that. I don't know, I feel like watching this footage back is going to be really jarring because I don't even recognize myself on camera when I'm filmed, like, and I look like me. So right now I'm gonna look at myself, and yeah, I feel like I look really old, and maybe it's even my outfit. Maybe this will make me dress a lot more like youthful because I'm gonna like overcompensate. It's just gonna be fun to like style my new hair, and I don't know, like adds new spice to my outfits that I feel like were lackluster. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys when we're styling it.
Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. Ignore my room. This is my life. Lou is in the living room playing, and I have to hide to film this real quick. I wanted to talk to you guys about Squarespace, which should come as no surprise to you because they're one of my favorite companies to work with, and a company that I use all the time. My dad uses all the time. A lot of my friends who are still in the job hunting or business world, need resumes kind of thing, use all the time. Makes sense. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform to stand out and succeed online. Whether you're just starting out or you already have a website, Squarespace makes it easy to have all your content live in one place. You can create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, sell anything from content to products to time, all in one place. Squarespace is introducing Design Intelligence, combining 2 decades of industry-leading design expertise with cutting-edge AI technology to unlock your strongest creative potential. Design Intelligence empowers anyone to build a beautiful, more personalized website tailored to their unique needs and craft a bespoke digital identity to use across one's entire online presence. Something I've used Squarespace for in the past is their online stores. You can sell product online with an online store that's designed to stand out. Customize your product listings with images, videos, reviews, related products, and add-ons that help you make more sales. The Squarespace commerce platform makes managing everything from inventory to sales and customers simple. And also connect all your social media and multimedia accounts to your Squarespace website just in a few clicks as icons, direct links, or embedded feeds. You can build visitor trust while updating content only where you need it, extending your brand's footprint. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to publish, go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of this haircut.